Bird, bird, I want the bird. I'm gonna get the birdie. Nice little birdie. I'm gonna eat the birdie. Birdie, 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 birdie. There he goes. Oh, I get it. Hmm. Looks like a nice day. I think I'll have a sit here. Oh, birdie, birdie, birdie. I gotta get the birdie. I want the birdie. Hmm. Birdie. What's that on the fence below me? Birdie. I gotta get the birdie. Birdie. That's a little. I can get that bird. His back's to me. I know I can get him. I just sneak up there and gonna get that bird. I just gotta figure out how to get up there. What do you think, guys? You think I can do this? No. No. Okay. I gotta get that bird. I know I can do it. I'm gonna get. I just climb up this fence. Just. It's not even looking at me. It's just. I climb up this fence. Oh, what's that down there? It's disturbing my little rest here. Oh, it's breakfast. I think I'll have breakfast. Oh, that looks like a rat. That's a funny looking rabbit. Maybe a better view. It's like that's a cat. It's not a rabbit. Still, it could be breakfast. I don't know. What if I get over here? Maybe if I look at the bird here. How do I get up to the birdie? Gotta get the birdie. Gotta get the birdie. It's a good big birdie. I can do this. I know I can. It looks delicious. I just gotta get up there and get that bird. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. Nom, 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 nom. I gotta get that bird. I'll just sit here and wait for that stupid cat to climb up here. And when he's about halfway up, I'll just pick his out. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's hiding. That no good sneaky cat. Can't trust a cat. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. You stupid cat.